And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm here to show you a great chocolate chip cookie. And here are the ingredients. We have 2¼ cups of flour. We have a ½ cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of brown sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a ½ teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 1 cup of softened butter. I have 1 egg. I have 2½ cups of chocolate chips. It's chocolate chip cookies. You can't skip out on the chocolate chips. And also optional, you could add a cup of nuts. These are cut up walnuts. That's what I like to add to mine. But if you don't like nuts in your cookies, you could omit them. And let's get started. What we are going to do is add our butter and our sugar together. We are going to cream the sugar in the butter. Okay, we get it to this point. We're going to add our baking soda and our salt to our flour. Make sure you get it all. We're going to add our vanilla extract to our butter, our cream, butter, and sugar, and our egg. Now we're going to add slowly our flour mixture. Do a little bit at a time. A little more. I'll add the rest. Now we get to this point where it's a dough. We're going to add our chocolate chips. And if you like nuts, I would just add them to them as well. And there you have it. We have our chocolate chip dough. We have our chocolate chip cookie dough made. So I just have in a sheet tray with parchment paper down, and I like to spray a little bit with cooking spray. And I have a ice cream scooper. It's a 3-ounce scooper. I like to fill it up, add it to it. Now you want to give these cookies some room because they're going to expand. So you don't want to have them laying right on top of each other. Now what's good about this recipe is if you don't want to make all the cookies, you could go and freeze some. Freeze this batter and should last for at least 30 days. Or the next time you're hungry, that could be next week for cookies. Or tomorrow, who knows. Okay, what I like to do, give a little push down on them. Nothing too crazy. So you're looking for a nice round cookie. Our cookies are ready to go in the oven. I have the oven already preheated at 375. We're going to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, our cookies have cooled down. I put them on a plate, and now it's time to try them. Oh, that's a good cookie. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.